All aboard!
It's Driver Dan's Story Train!
Hello, everyone!
Hello, Driver Dan!
Which of our friends are we going to see? Which of our friends do you think it will be? Climb aboard and travel with me. All aboard the story train.
All aboard the Story Train! Twinkle, have you spotted someone? I can't see who it is. Can you?
I can see a wheel. Maybe it's a vroom. That doesn't sound like the vrooms. It's not a vroom, it's Tallulah.
You're right, it's Tallulah. Let's go and say hello.
Boo! Ah!
I'm sure I just saw Precious make Tallulah jump. Do you need some help, Tallulah?
Yes, please, Driver Dan.
Okay, nearly there. Tallulah, didn't I just see Precious?
Yes, she made me jump.
How did she do that? We can always hear where Precious is because of her bell. Do you know how Precious did it?
Drive Dan, behind you. Look out.
Boo!
Whoa.
I made you jump, didn't I, Driver Dan? Didn't I?
Yes, you did, didn't you, Precious?
And you didn't even hear my bell. I made it quiet with a socksy. That's why you didn't hear me coming.
That is clever, Precious.
Can someone help me, please? And I made you jump, didn't I, Tallulah? Twice.
There we go.
Thanks, Driver Dan. Precious must be hiding again. She's been making me jump all day.
That's a lot of jumping.
I wish I could make her jump. Then she'd know what it felt like. But I'm just not very good at it.
Do you think Precious is waiting behind the tree again?
Maybe, Drive Dan.
Do you want to come to Story Corner with us, Precious?
What?
Ah!
Yes, please! Made you both jump again.
Yes, very good, Precious. We'll need to pick up someone else first. You never know, they might be able to help you make Precious jump.
Thanks, Driver Dan. Sneaking up like Precious would be fun.
Well, for good sneaking up, you'll need to be as quiet as Precious, with a bit of oil on your wheels.
Oh, so that's why I couldn't do it. Now I'm as quiet as Precious. Well, thanks, Dan.
Okay, Twinkle, I'm ready. Are you ready too? Then let's go!
All aboard the Story Train!
All aboard!
Can you guess who the next passenger might be?
What are they? They look like sweets. They're pretty. I know, it's the Counting Sheep. Yes, it's their carriage. Counting Sheep. Hooray!
Now that's what I call good guessing. Hello, number one. I was wondering if you'd like to come to Story Corner. Let's get you on board then.
Watch me. I'm going to make number one jump.
That might not be a good idea, Precious.
She's so good at sneaking up. I'm going to practice.
See? Nice slow movements like that.
Oh, yes.
But the most important thing is to make a noise when no one expects it. Watch.
Boo! I made you jump, number one. surprises. Boom! I made you jump! I made you jump! Oh, they were all very good at jumping out.
You don't seem very happy about it.
It's not nice being surprised all the time. I think I made you jump too much, didn't I, Tallulah? I'm sorry.
Thanks, Precious. But now that I've learned how to sneak up quietly too, we can play this game every day.
I've had enough jumps for today, Tallulah. Haven't you? No more surprises. Driver Dan, please can we go to Story Corner now?
Good idea, Precious. Off we go. Come on, you counting sheep. Time for Story Corner. I can see you. Are we all clear, Twinkle? Looks like we're good to go. Are you ready too? Then let's go!
All aboard the story train!
I'd love a story. I hope it makes me jump, but not too jumpy. No, not too jumpy.
Here we are, Story Corner. Who wants a story?
Yes, please, Driver Dan. Is it one that will make us jump?
Actually, I don't like jumpy things anymore.
Let's see. I wonder if... There. I know just the book. Is everybody settled down and ready to listen?
Ready, Dan.
Ready and waiting.
And all of you, sitting down comfy and ready to listen?
Ready, Dan?
This story is called Down at the Waterhole by Dave Ingham, with pictures by Paula Bowles. Down at the waterhole, all was still. Tortoise was passing through. He went to the water to have a drink. Then suddenly he heard... Boo! Pop went the tortoise into his shell. Made you jump. Didn't I do well?
I wish someone could make that crocodile jump.
Down at the waterhole, all was still. Croc wanted a drink too. He opened his mouth for a great big gulp. Then suddenly he heard... Wah! Said Croc as his smile shut. Snap! I made you jump. Well, fancy that. Down at the waterhole, all was still. Hippo was thirsty too. So in she splashed for a paddle and glug. Then suddenly she heard... Boom! Splat! Went Hippo into the mud. Made you jump. I'm terribly good. Down at the waterhole, all was still. Giraffe was thirsty too. Down, down she stooped for a delicate slurp. Then suddenly she heard... Boom! said Giraffe as her legs gave way. I made you jump. Hip, hip, hooray! Down at the waterhole, all was still, as all the friends round it drank their fill. And that's the end. What did you think? And now it's your turn. Which bit did you like best? Come on, it's time to show me the story.
Boo! I'm a big crocodile. He made us jump. We're hiding with the hippo. Snap, snap, snap! I'm a crocodile too. Snap, snap! Whoa, you made me jump. Look at me, I'm being a giraffe. I got long, wibbly legs. Are you a great big tortoise? Hello! Boom! Hello! That was really funny.
Well done. You were great at being the animals from the story. What's going on here then? No one's moving. What are you all up to? Oh, that was a surprise. You were just like the tortoise at the waterhole.
The best surprises are if you are quiet first.
Good point, Twinkle. Maybe that's enough surprises for today. So glad you all enjoyed the story, everyone. But now it's time to go. All aboard!
All aboard the story train!
All aboard! All aboard!
Bye, everyone. It's time to go, but let's come back soon because we all love stories.
I like stories with animals. I like ones that surprise me. I like stories that go boom.